Hello! Today I will be showing you the process of creating your own Kurzweil account. Kurzweil is a program that is used by many students who receive services from the DATC, but all students at UWSP are able to create an account and use its features for free. For students who qualify for services, Kurzweil is where they can access digital versions of their textbooks. The features of Kurzweil include reading the text to the reader, as well as different tools for organization and note-taking. For all UWSP students, Kurzweil can be used to upload documents and use the reading, organizing, and note-taking features. After setting up an account, all students have the option to install Read the Web. Read the Web is the Kurzweil extension that allows students to use its features on web pages, including Canvas. Please check out our YouTube videos for more information on how to access and how to use these features. So to set up your account, you will first want to go to the university homepage. From here, you will need to go to the DATC homepage. To do this, you can type DATC into the search box in the top right corner. The first option should say Disability and Assistive Technology Center, DATC. When you click on that, it should take you to our homepage. From the main page, click the drop-down arrow next to Assistive Technology AT in the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Then select Software and Equipment. This lists some of the software and equipment we offer through our lab. As you can see, Kurzweil 3000 is the first software listed. You can read through the overview if you would like, but as I mentioned, you can also check out our other YouTube videos. To create your account, click on the hyperlink that says Kurzweil 3000 Registration. It should take you to this page. Please enter your first and last name as well as your student email address. Then select UWSP from the drop-down menu under School/Org. You do not need to enter anything under External ID. Simply leave it blank. Then click Add New. After you submit this information, this yellow text box should appear that says Success. In this box, it will give you your assigned username and password. Make sure to write this information down so you can log into your Kurzweil account in the next step. From here, you can click the Kurzweil 3000 icon in the top left corner of the screen and it will prompt you to enter your login information. To find this login page in the future, you can search Kurzweil 3000 into your search engine or go directly to www.kurzweil3000.com. This video is sponsored by the Disability and Assistive Technology Center at the University of Wisconsin, Stevens Point.